Why the people are always confused, they are not convey their message toward the people. A lot of people, they ask me this question: when they are going to speak, they stuck. When it comes to speaking English, they are nervous, they are not able to speak English. I think they are lack of the practice, they don't know the rules of grammars. I suggest them that they must learn the short sentences. They start learning English from imperative sentence. For example, if you ask someone to close the door, open the door, come here, speak English, can I help you, such kind of these phrases to help you to speak better English. And if you lack of the vocabulary, then you start reading a newspaper, and you have to read a lot of books. Through the books provides you a lot of vocabulary, then you will know, and also you will get some structures in newspaper. Then you're going to utilize these structures in your speaking. You will see you are speaking up to the mark. And the second problem is that they know rules of grammar. A lot of students, they know rules of grammar, they have a lot of vocabularies, but the lack of the confidence, they are not able to speak in front of the public. Why? Because of lack of the practice. You have to practice yourself. You should stand in front of the mirror to start speaking yourself. And you're right or wrong, be strong. And a lot of students, they think that when we are going to speak in front of any person else, if we make a mistake, definitely they laugh at us. It doesn't matter, let them to laugh. Actually, when you stop learning any language, definitely you are making a lot of mistakes. So that's why there's nothing to fear making a lot of mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning. You should learn from the mistakes. Okay, if you make a mistake, so what? It's part of the learning. And you, if you are interested and if you want to build your confidence, if you want to learn this language, then keep practicing, and never think that someone's going to laugh at me and I will be insulted in front of him. Never, not at all. It totally depends on the practice. And you know, it's not a native language, it's also my second language. How should I speak? Look at that. Because I am practicing this language for a long time. If you think, then you will speak. I request and I also suggest all my viewers, they are watching this video, first believe yourself. I know that you are interested, you are able to speak. And then if you keep watching my videos, and if you go to my channels, you will see there are a lot of videos, more than 100 videos. You can see that inshallah it helps you to speak better English. I hope that you understand. If you have any query, you can ask me to send the message. Inshallah, I will also make the video of that. Thank you very much.